Congratulations! Your department has made the decision to protect the health and safety of the emergency service personnel in your facility with Plymovent products. In today's world, whether you're home or at work, you're committed to safety. And within our world, Plymovent is committed to your safety inside the fire station. Since 1988, Plymovent has installed over 50,000 systems throughout the world. The World Health Organization, NFPA 1500, NIOSH, and OSHA's determination that diesel exhaust is a hazardous material brings to the forefront the serious issue that firefighters and EMTs are exposed to cancer-causing exhaust fumes. Hazardous vehicle exhaust emissions in a fire station are a firefighter's most significant cancer health risk and can be a serious legal liability for the fire department. We're glad to see you've joined us in the fight to eliminate this hazard from your fire station with our code-compliant vehicle exhaust capture and removal systems. Immediately, not only will you see and smell the difference, you'll feel it. As an ISO, UL, CE, TÜV-SÜD, and AMCA certified manufacturer, our systems work with any vehicle type. You'll find that our products are simple to use, reliable, easy to adjust, built with a high-tolerance design, and feature an unparalleled list of safety features. Superior engineering and manufacturing within published code guidelines and standards are unmet by any other manufacturer in the fire vehicle exhaust industry. Our three unique systems ensure compatibility with all vehicle types and station designs. A key component to one of our systems is the sealed nozzle design, called the grabber. For undercarriage exhaust vehicles, Plymovent employs the Pneumatic Grabber nozzle, which utilizes a positive seal to ensure virtually no diesel exhaust leakage while the system is in use. Just attach it to the tailpipe and push the fill valve to quickly ensure a positive seal around any size tailpipe. The Plymovent tailpipe adapter allows for an easy connection of the Pneumatic Grabber. As a standard feature, Plymovent supplies its innovative ergonomic safety disconnect handle. The safety disconnect handle guarantees that the system will always release. In the situation that a disconnect does occur, simply reinsert the coupling into the safety disconnect handle, wrap the air line around the hose, and insert into the air fitting. Integrated into the safety disconnect handle is the Plymovent manual fill and deflation valve. This is used for inflating and deflating the pneumatic grabber as needed. The Plymovent proprietary yellow and black exhaust hose comes in both a 4 and 5-inch diameter, which is used to extract the toxic soot and keep gases from entering the fire station. Equipped with a shock-absorbing balancer and trolley assembly, the balancer acts as an integral part of the system, used to carry the weight of the hose while it travels through the bay. The Plymovent SBT, also known as the sliding balancer track system, is applied to the back-in and drive-through single and tandem vehicle applications. It's simple and efficient as well as code compliant. When your vehicle starts, the exhaust fan starts removing harmful exhaust gases. As the hose moves down the track system with the vehicle, it will automatically disconnect when the pneumatic grabber engages the uncoupling valve. The high-grade aluminum track is specifically grooved for stability and equipped with the previously mentioned shock-absorbing balancer and trolley assembly designed to carry the hose system to the door without tilting, snagging, or scratching the vehicle. Our STR, or straight rail system, may be used in any station application connecting as many as 4 vehicles to a continuous extraction rail with individual crab trolleys and hose for each vehicle. It too is simple, efficient, and code compliant. The STR's one-piece rail allows back-in or drive-through tandem vehicles ease of transport with no limitations to length. The Plymovent vertical stack rail system, also known as VSR, is designed for exhaust stack vehicles. The VSR2 is code compliant and requires no manual hookup. Its one-piece square rail is limitless in single or multiple vehicle applications. The VSR is a no-hose system and may be used for both back-in and drive-through truck bays. The Plymovent designed and manufactured control panel is UL listed, fulfilling all electrical codes for system operation. The auto start system is based on static pressure when the apparatus is started. When the apparatus returns, a firefighter manually attaches the grabber nozzle to the tailpipe from the standing position. There is no bending over as other systems do require. The exhaust system starts automatically as the grabber nears the tailpipe, sensing pressure, triggering the control panel and fan to engage. The control panel has a manual run feature for constant long-term use during vehicle checks. Be sure that your Plymovent system is never attached to the apparatus while it is going through the regeneration process. Regeneration should be done in a safe area outside the station. By design, the Plymovent spark-resistant fans are built specifically to meet Class II conveying of hazardous material requirements. Plymovent manufactured fans are AMCA certified. In the case that you need to back a vehicle into the station, simply have the driver stop the vehicle outside the station, allow the firefighter to exit the truck, and retrieve the exhaust hose. Motion the driver to back the vehicle till the tailpipe is at the door threshold. At that point, have the vehicle stop and allow the firefighter to slide the grabber onto tailpipe without bending over. Then signal the driver and step away from the vehicle so that it may return to the bay. If the vehicle needs to drive through to enter the station, have the driver stop the vehicle outside the station. Allow the firefighter to exit the truck and retrieve the exhaust hose. Signal the driver to pull forward into the bay till the tailpipe is at the door threshold. Slide the grabber onto the tailpipe without bending over. Then signal the driver and step away from the vehicle so that it may return to the bay. If your department has purchased a VSR system, then the system will be preset to the vehicle and will require no firefighter involvement. Simply go into the vehicle, depart from the station, and the system will disconnect as the vehicle leaves, awaiting for your return. Plymovent recommends that you periodically check all products are functioning properly. Plymovent recognizes the importance of training and understands the proper use of the system that has been installed in your facility. If you have any additional questions or concerns, Plymovent has a worldwide network of certified dealers local to you for continued support and service. We would sincerely like to thank you for using our products and welcome you to our ever-growing family of emergency service personnel that receive the utmost protection they deserve.